Hey everyone, welcome back. If you work with PDFs regularly, you already know how frustrating it can be to edit text, combine pages, or secure your files properly. Today, I'm going to show you a completely free, all-in-one PDF editor that lets you edit, annotate, organize pages, protect files, read, and print PDFs, all from one place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool to use for each task and how to use it quickly. So let's get started. First, go to the website jopdf.com. Here, you'll see all the available tools, including edit, annotate, organize, protect, read, and print. Now download and install the software. To unlock all features, simply click Download and install the program on your computer. Yes, it's completely free. Once the installation is complete, open JOPDF. Let's start with editing. Open any PDF file, then click on the Edit tab at the top. Now click on any text in the document. You can easily change the font style, font size, text color, and much more. Next is Annotate, which is especially useful for students, reviewers, and professionals. Click on the Annotate option, and you'll see all the available tools. You can highlight text, which is perfect for study notes. You can also add sticky notes. Just click anywhere, type your comment, and leave feedback or reminders. There are also tools to draw freehand lines, circles, and shapes, making it easy to mark up documents. Now let's move to page organization. Click on the Page tab at the top. From here, you can rotate pages, delete pages, insert blank pages, and manage your PDF in many other ways. Protecting your PDF. Sometimes you need to keep your documents secure. Click on the Protect tab, then select Encrypt. Here, you can set a password so only authorized users can open the file. You can also control permissions, such as whether printing is allowed and whether it's high or low resolution. Additionally, you can restrict editing permissions, allowing no changes or limited changes. Just set your password, choose your permissions, and apply the settings. Reading and printing. For distraction-free reading, click on Read Mode. Your screen instantly switches to a clean layout with all editing tools hidden, giving you a simple PDF viewer. If you want to print your PDF, just click the Print button. You'll see all the printing options. Select your preferences and print your document. And that's it. This was a simple and detailed tutorial on how to use JOPDF. Now you know how to edit, annotate, organize, protect, read, and print PDFs with ease. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.